Before I get started, I'm editing the video right now. I was gonna install some coilovers, but I didn't because the fork of the front struts did not fit. They were too wide. So whatever on the video that I talk about saying coilovers and stuff, disregard all of that because I'm only gonna be installing the brakes. So yeah, now back to the video. I was given these coilovers right here, so that's what I'm putting on. And then we're gonna be swapping out these knuckles and the Brembos right there. I already got those holes are cut off, but I'm gonna be putting on some braided lines instead. Let's get started. Alright, so I went ahead and started assembling the stuff. Here's the new spindle that I'm gonna put on. It's off a 15 charger or whatever. The thing I noticed doesn't have holes for the dust shield. So for now I'm gonna be running without lights until further notice, until I thread my own threads and make them work. For now all I'm gonna be doing is removing the whole spindle, which is just this knuckle up here, that bolt, that castle nut, and then this bolt here, and then the joint here, and then that joint there. So it's just a matter of 3 bolts and everything should just slide right off. It's not that hard. And after that I'm gonna be removing the shock, which is just a bolt down there in the middle, and the stabilizer link, and then 3 bolts on the shock tower in the hood. Alright, so I ran into a problem. Or the coilovers, they're not the same. Or the base of it is not the same. So like the forks of the thing are too wide. So we're gonna disregard those coilovers over there. We're gonna keep the springs for now. And right now what we're dealing with is the ball joint that they sent me are shipped out. They didn't take them out with care, so they have to be replaced. So luckily I had one that I ordered for my other car, or for that old knuckle I had, and it'll fit. So I gotta replace that when my brother goes buys another one for the other side, because the other side's also messed up. Put the ball joint disassembly with snap ring pliers, just a snap ring plier, and I think it should just pop out. Heading it out is because I don't have a ball joint press, and my brother's gonna go pick one up right now. So I have to do this by hammer, which is no big because I'm just taking it off and not putting it on. But to put it on, I would recommend using a press for sure. Ow! That's why you wear gloves, boys. Oh, just in time. Yeah. Just in time. Right when he arrived, I got it done. Yeah, boy. About time. Okay, anyway, so he just finished taking off the ball joint and he put this one on. So we're gonna let y'all see how we put on the other one. Just rent out your the ball joint press from your local auto parts store. And yeah, so here's the new joints, or the ball joints. This side through here. Well, look, you can just wiggle it, dude. You don't need that. JK. It'll be better to use a impact gun. Way better. A lot better, trust us. To put it on. To put it on. Insert ball joint. Step 1. What was... Oh, look at that yellow teeth and freaking neck beard. What do you mean yellow teeth? Look at yours. Yeah. It's just the sun. There is no sun. Mira, cuchao, as Lightning McQueen says. And then, okay la. So once we get that, use this gun. Where is it? Look at how it's gonna go in like butter. You know the way. You know the way, brothers. We already damaged it, dude. They're not gonna accept this back. Yeah, they are. We're gonna go broke. Did they inspect it? Yeah, well, no, they didn't take every ring. Yeah, exactly. I told you. So now, you gotta push it down, dude, because I'm too lowered. And hopefully, Oh yeah. Oh wait. Oh shit. And look at that, like a glove. Like a glove. To make sure it's in there, you gotta make sure always. Go flathead. A little tap. A little tap. It won't go in.
That's what she said.
Hello, puppy. Bro. Con huevos. Oh, like my pink chair. Give me that pink chair. Damn, lazy. Get on your knees. Damn slave. That's what I'm saying. We need to lift this up. I forgot we have the shock on there, so give me that jack. Oh. There you go. Go. Before they turn on the music again, I'm gonna explain real quick what I'm gonna do. I bought a new bracket because the other one was rusty, so I got a new one. And then all I'm gonna do now is this brake line. This is the braided brake line. So this will go on the back of the arm.
Alrighty, so now I'm just gonna do a voiceover because there was a whole bunch of background music that you could see my dad playing over there. So copyright issues and whatnot, I'm not gonna do it. So all I'm doing is just swapping out the parts, that little metal bracket, swapping it from the part I bought to the, or from my used one to the new one. Alright, those came with the braided brake lines. I'm just showing that D hole looking thing goes to that braid line. You put it through there, and then now the C clip goes to that thing just to hold that thing in place. So that's when the knuckle's on there on the actual car. And then I'm using some pliers to put it in there because I'm weak, my hands are weak. I'm a little boy. And clip. Oh no, not yet. So I'm just pointing out the clip right there. You put the C clip in there. So the top one is a square clip that you put on there, and that C clip goes beneath it to just hold that thing in place. I recommend getting a new bracket if it's rusty because it makes it way easier. If y'all hear some like beep noise, is my smoke alarm, so don't mind that. I'm sorry I gotta put a battery, but I'm just lazy. So I guess right here I'm just putting a banjo bolt, showing you how to put on a banjo bolt. Wash it one side, go through the banjo bolt, wash it to the other side, and go to the thing. Alright, so you will get it, go on. Ooh, look at that chair. It's my sister's, by the way. So this is the part where I was struggling. I recommend putting the spindle on there first before doing all this, whatever I'm doing. Why was I putting the brake caliper first? Okay, it's time to change the music because obviously I don't know what I'm doing. Am I really? Okay, I guess I'm struggling here. Look at me.
Can't do this one hand.
I think I got frustrated there. I don't know why I'm doing the brake caliper first. Why didn't I just do the spindle first, man? What's wrong with me? Don't do what I did. Put the knuckle first.
Alright, so I just went ahead and finished the whole system, but just followed the torque specs. So all these bolts, when you put everything, I had to replace this arm because my bushing was bad already. So either way, right now what we're doing is turning the wheel and testing the suspension to see how much play I got on each thing. And then right now I noticed that this cable kind of looks like it's pulling in a way. I don't like the way it's moving, so I gotta adjust it somehow. It's okay, so it won't pull, which might be this way, like that. I'm just gonna get everything set up, just make sure nothing gets hung up or nothing is twisting weirdly. After that, you just put the wheels back on, Already bled the brakes. That's the nipple right there. And my brother pumped the brake while I bled it. And everything should be good. Everything's tightened up. Okay, so it's been a few weeks since I last updated y'all. I drove it around just breaking the bed in the brakes or whatever. I finally got the wheel rings installed too, so I actually purchased it off a 15 Charger. It was like what, $5? So that's the dust shield. I just made holes in it and it fits right on it, like barely, on the SRT rotor. So I got lucky. Same with the other side, that's this side and this side right here. You can see better. But yeah, nothing ever shaved off or like bent weirdly or kinked. Everything is good. So that's that. If y'all like that video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Turn on post notifications to see when I'll be uploading another video. And that's it. See you next time.